These two fingers are quite tired and quite fatigued with all that tapping on my mobile. I think it's these two or these two. Oh, I try to use all of them if I can. But anyway, today on That Techo Guy, I'm going to be reviewing the first few days of my experience with Rollertap and sharing some tips and tricks with you all. Stay tuned. Okay, so how's it going with you all and with the new Rollertap game on Rollercoin? So I'm going to be showing you my status right here. So on my screen here, you can see Rollertap. I've launched the Telegram desktop application and I've launched the Rollertap bot there. And here you can see my progress. Let me just reload this to make sure it's the most recent. There you go. So I am currently at level 4, almost at 2 million, okay, 1.8 million. I've got a coin per tap click rate of 28. So every time I click, I'm getting 28. And I've upgraded my energy to 3,500 so far. I thank all of you who have actually used my link to join Rollertap. I've got all of these friends at the moment, got 22 friends. Thank you very much for that. Here's the entire list of that. Be sure to invite your friends as well using the referral link. You can copy that from the friends section here. And if you do actually join using my link, we will both earn 2,000 RCC coins as soon as you join. So thank you very much for your support. And I hope that you'll be using the link that I'm leaving down below this video in the description. So as you can see here, boosts, I can go up to another level, to level 13 for a little over 500,000, and I can get +2. So that coin per tap will be +30 if I want that. And coins per hour at the moment, I'm at 31.4 thousand. That is the passive income part, okay, of it. Okay, for the next level, I need 10 million, and I'm currently almost at 2 million. If I keep on upgrading, obviously that's going to go back down. So right now, I'm just trying to save up a bit to try and get to the next level, which isn't very easy. In the shop, you can see I've got all of the cards. Yes, even the funny hamster. I did upgrade that to level 7, but this card is a joke. It's not really worth much at all, so I wouldn't really bother with that one. The rest seem to hold certain value, and I'll be showing some tips and tricks and an Excel sheet. Yes, an Excel sheet that I have made because I love these Excel sheets, because you can see a holistic view of all the data and actually know where you are at in the game, and it will help you even better. Statistically, you can see all the values and just help you even better to take more informed decisions when you're actually trying to see which is best. Is it best to upgrade your energy? Is it best to upgrade the click rate? Or is it best to upgrade the cards? Well, it all depends at which level you're at, and I'll be showing you that right now as well. So I'm going to open my spreadsheet right here, and you can see my nice mighty spreadsheet here. So in yellow, this is the cards section, okay? And in green, this is the taps versus energy section. That's the way I did it, okay? So here we've got the cards, all of the cards. I've started from the most powerful, Pope Hamster, to the least powerful, which is Funny Hamster, okay? Now I've put the current cost, so whatever level I'm at on the cards at the moment, okay? So for example, Pope Hamster at the moment, I would need to pay 222,000 to get to the next level, okay? The next level would net me 1,808 per hour passive income, which is equivalent to 30 a minute, okay? The lower the value here will be the better the value, okay? So the lower the number, the better the value, okay? So that is basically what I'm doing here. Is I am actually dividing, very simple, the cost of the card divided by the earnings per hour, and that will give me the value proportionately, okay? So the ratio of that. And here I've done days, time in days to recover that initial cost, okay? Now, when it comes to taps versus energy, I've done the same thing. So my current status is 28 clicks, like I've shown. To upgrade to the next level to 30 clicks, I would need to spend 542,801, so a bit over $500,000. If I actually upgrade the energy from 3,500 to 4,000, so 500 extra taps per session, that would cost me a little over 1 million RCC coins. So I'll be spending quite a big chunk out of the amount I currently have. Okay. Now, total taps per session, if I were to upgrade only the tap rate, so if I were to upgrade from 28 to 30 and spend that 542, that would give me 105,000 taps per session. Now, I'm saying per session. At the moment, I've got 3,500 energy. So if I exhaust all of those, that would give me 105,000 approximately. Technically, it will be giving me more because while you're tapping, it's slightly going up every 6 seconds or so at the counter. That energy is recharging again while you're actually tapping. So the minimum I would get is 105,000. Obviously, I can't tap 3,500 times all at once. So I'm not going to do that definitely within 6 seconds. So that's going to start going up as well as I tap. Total taps per session, if I were to upgrade the energy from 3,500 to 4,000, that's going to cost me that 1 million. I would get 112,000 taps per session. Again, minimum. It can be more because obviously I'm not going to tap 3,500 times within a few seconds. Okay. So what the difference is from the current status. So my current status is 98,000 taps per session with that 28 and the 3,500 energy. So with that, I am currently making 98,000 taps. Okay, the difference from my current status of 98,000 taps to 105,000 is 7,000, and the difference if I were to upgrade the energy is 112,000. I will probably add another one here if I were to upgrade both of them, but obviously I don't think I would do that at any one point in time and just say, okay, I'm just going to spend 1.5 million and spend all I've got and upgrade both taps and energy. So I don't think I'm going to do that in one session. I'd more likely upgrade one of these and maybe enhance some of my cards here as well. Okay, so the same thing here. The lower the value, the value, when I mean the value, I mean the number that's here. So the lower that number, the better the value cost. Okay, the ratio. Okay, so here in this case, it would be more beneficial for me if I were to upgrade the energy in this case. Okay, and in most cases, the energy will give you quite a bit more. So as you can see here, it would give me 14,000 more taps, double what I would get if I were to spend 542,000, but it isn't double the cost. It's not double the cost, okay? So that means it's going to be better value. Now remember, each time that you do upgrade any of the cards or any of the tap rate, etc., it's not going to always remain at this fixed cost. This cost will go up significantly, okay? So if I upgrade the energy to 4,000, it won't be 1 million anymore for the next one. It'll probably be like 1.5 million or maybe even more, I don't know. Okay, so the price does go up. So you need to take that into consideration. Don't assume that it's always going to be a fixed cost for each upgrade that you do, because it's not, okay? So there is pretty much a holistic view of everything, and this sheet, I believe, that I made from scratch will really help me to get through the game even faster. So if you want any information about the sheet, I can give it to you, and I'll share a link to it down in the description below this video as well. Basically, it's very simple. So time in days to recover RCC costs. For example, if I were to get the Pope hamster at the moment, it's going to take me 2 days just to get my 222,000 back in passive income. Obviously, I am not factoring in the clicks, because if I were to factor in the clicks that I would be doing myself, the taps I would be doing myself, okay, because they're either clicks or taps, depends on what platform you're using. I'm not factoring those in. So basically here, what I'm only factoring in is the passive income element. And while I'm on that subject, the passive income for those cards, so when you've actually got the cards, okay, you're getting the cards, and here it's telling me that I am making 31.4 thousand per hour. That is true. However, if it's on your mobile phone and you switch off your mobile phone for more than 3 hours, that passive income won't continue to accumulate. So bear that in mind, because I've experienced that even last night, and I've seen some rollers say that in the community on Discord as well, that it's only valid for 3 hours. You then need to interact again with the application somehow, and you'll get another 3 hours, and so on. Okay, so as you saw there, I just got, hooray, you got like 542 or how many RCC coins. Okay, that is for every minute, but that will stop after 3 hours of inactivity. So either you need to have like your PC on and you leave Rollertap open and it's always open like this, or you need to leave your mobile on with the screen on, maybe dim down the brightness or put your mobile the other way around, flat, and just leave it running all night, okay? And let it charge, on charge, and that will ensure that you get your entire amount of passive income even while you are sleeping. Because last night I did some calculations and I noticed that I lost around, I don't know, 5 hours or so. So if I slept 8 hours, I lost like 5 hours of those 8 hours, because only 3 counted from when I switched off the phone until I woke up again and started resuming the game. Okay, so just bear this in mind. I think that is pretty much at this point all I wanted to show you on Rollertap. Let me know down in the comment section below how it's going for you and what you think about this new game, the new tap to earn or click to earn game in Rollercoin, which hopefully these RCC tokens will be integrated into Rollercoin and you can use them to purchase things. I don't know if you can actually exchange them for RLT maybe, or if you can purchase mines with them going forward, like similar to the season tokens. We'll see what's going to happen, but for that to happen, the Rollercoin team have said that the Rollertap community and the people using Rollertap need to reach 1 million users. Okay, at the moment there is no official statistical counter here. I've already suggested that this be kind of put into the app itself, kind of show us like how many users are there, maybe even put a ranking of where I'm at, you know, compared to other users and their amount of RCC and their level, kind of similar to the leaderboard on Rollercoin itself, with the ranking at the top out of the total number of actual users. So we know as well how long we have to wait until we actually hit that 1 million. Okay, I'm sure the team will release some information on that, but it would be nice just to see that there as well, even to hype up the anticipation even more. We're only a few thousand off. Oh, come on, let's do it. Let's get more people involved. You know, it will help to motivate and get more people involved as well. Again, before I end this video, thank you all for your support. For those of you who actually used my link, which is in the description below this video as well, for actually joining Rollertap, that will get me 2,000 RCC tokens, and it will get you 2,000 instantly as soon as you join using my referral link. So thank you, and I hope more of you will use my link. Thank you very much. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button, hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.